Welcome to another awesome episode of the Hackabillys. So last week I took a pretty bad tumble in our go-kart and I broke some things. The cage, the roll cage, probably saved my life. I broke it, my big old belly. So we're going to bend and weld and fix it and make it better so that doesn't happen again.
Alright, so here we are. This broke. In turn makes this loose. This broke as well. Now we've already kind of got started here. This was actually bent down where it was below the other bar, so we already heated this up and bent it back. I don't think we're gonna have to do any bending on this one, but basically the plan is to get everything stuck back together here and weld it. So let's get after it.
Alright, so we grinded up everything over here.
We're actually just going to go with a bolt here. It's just going to be better than welding it. So, yeah.
We'll grind it up and yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright, so we got it all welded up, screwed up, and fixed, and there you go. I am safer than I was last time. So now we're ready to ride. Well, we got everything welded, screwed back together. Took it for a little bit of a ride, and then God said not today, and let his rain shine, because March showers bring May flowers. And
anyway.
I have a question. We have a question. We have many options. What we can do in videos. We can golf or work on this car. We fish, magnet fishing. We do have some pretty exciting stuff planned when turkey season comes in.
Yep. Stay tuned for all that.
Yep.
That's going to be some big announcements coming up.
So like and subscribe and share and comment. And yeah, see you in the next one.
Bye.